Okay, here's step 6. Open downloaded file as a Google Sheet in Clients folder. And to open up the steps, you always just click on that little thing there. So we're first going to download the file, and as you can see, it's downloaded actually twice here. Just click download, and it went right up here, and it's downloaded. Okay. So now go to the clients folder, and I have the directions if you work for us how to get to that folder. If not, go to the folder that you are supposed to be in. So I will go right into their folder. And since we're working on palliative care, this is the folder we are wanting to work within. So we have that folder open. So, and open it. Okay. Now we're just going to bring in that file. So I can just come up here, and this is 1 minute ago. That's the file. And you should just be able to open it as a Google Sheet. So that is the next step. And here is our Google Sheet with all of our awesome clusters all ready for us with variations. Here we go. Cool. Okay. And if you want to look at like some of the things, it's kind of fun to see what cluster came up with for us. Types of palliative care, and over here it's all the who, what is palliative care, who, types, and so this is really great. So this looks really great. Okay. Okay, and that is that step for now. Okay, to end number 6, we're going to rename the series with the name of the series. So you just click in here, and this is palliative care series. Okay, so that's that. And that is number 6.